Never done that before. Let's go to 6. What's going on here? I can't get to that. Okay, let's see. 9 3/4. 10. Oh boy. Alright, let's get some 9. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. Oak board on here. I just measured, I don't know, those not real consistent, but I'm going to shoot for a 9-inch can, 9 to a 10-inch can on this. Red oak. 12 inches on this end. It's also 12 inches on this end. And let's see how long this is. I think this is 8 feet 6. Yep, 8 feet 6. Very cold out here today. 21 degrees and really windy. It feels just damp. You know, we've been well below 0 a lot this year, and I've been able to get out here. It was just sunny just a little while ago, and I do see some blue skies possibly. So let's get this caught. Oh, I got my POV on too. I put that on for a little while. And I'll show you some of my views here. The band's at 17.5 foot-pounds. We got a stellite band, 1 log on it, so it's gonna rip right through this clean log. Knock on wood, we haven't broken any bands in a while. Maybe I've fixed my problem. Hopefully the battery holds up. These Briggs don't have a charging system, these pull starts. So what I think I'm gonna do in time, I'm gonna mount a charger on this thing so it's always charging and can roll back and forth with the carriage. And I just plug it in and I just have an extension cord running with the same cord I currently have. Why not, right? I do have a solar panel I use on it often, but it's only 7.5 watts and there's no sun. So I put a trickle charger on it, and I did do it last night. I'm gonna go to 9. This, I gotta get it a little bit more off of this. This log is wonky. Notion to flip this, and maybe when I come the other way we'll lose some of that waning. I'm going to. Let's flip it. Then we'll lower the stops and get them all at one time. I didn't mention what I'm making. I'm making 5/4 boards here.
I made a 5/4 scale. Here I'm putting it on. The Frontier doesn't come with one.
Right on the scale here. We'll take a break here. You and I are just going to sit here for a while, guys, and have a conversation. After the next one, there's 3 of them, but the 4th one will start all tomorrow. Maybe after the next one will, this is where it's fun. We got all the waning off, not all the waning, all the bars off, all the slabs, a couple of flitches. Now we're making lumber. This lady's here. It's like nice boards. It's got the knocks on them. But again, these are more deck boards for another trade and not mine. Yeah. I think that gives this guy all the boards he needs. He just got a little 4x8 deck trailer. And I think it was 4x6 actually, but he carries logs on it. He said he wanted 1.25 inch oak. That's pretty heavy duty for a 4x6, but oh yeah, plenty. And even with the waning, he said he doesn't care. So that's that log for today. It's cool out here. You know, when it's 0 and sunny, it feels different than when it's 24 or 25 degrees, a lot of humidity in the air, and windy and cloudy. I think I'd take the cold 0 and sunny. Guys, that'll do it for today. Take care. We'll see y'all here at the mill next time.